Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CARV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First level I'm doing is just actually a little bit of an adjustment. And I'm going to go, now that we have more data, adjust this level of resistance up here to right there at $15, which is definitely going to be an area that lots and lots of people are watching on Friday, myself included. I mean, you go through the history of things and you can see late afternoon on Wednesday got rejected, and then late afternoon today, Thursday, once again got rejected at that level. So that's an area where this is not some sort of like great discovery on my part. I assure you a lot of people notice that $15 has been rejecting the price. And I emphasize all that because when lots of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. And again, this is not a guarantee, but my point is if it can work its way up to that level and get a break through it, it's rational to think that that could create some upside buying pressure, or in other words, in technical jargon, create a breakout. So, I mean, keep a very close eye on that level. And like I said, this is not a great discovery. Lots of people will be watching that exact same thing and wondering that. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level up. Now that we have more data, it's become very, very apparent that right there at basically that $10 mark is going to be the key level to watch going forward. I mean, the price, I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole bunch spent basically all late morning, all early afternoon, right around that $10 mark. So watch that very closely. If the price does go back down there and violates that, at that point, it's probably only a matter of time before the price goes down and visits that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. But we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, I think this is a very interesting setup here headed into Friday. So we'll see if the price can indeed work its way back up to 15. And if it can it get the breakout? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.